Gold continued its bull run yesterday as well and yielded third bullish candle in succession and has already achieved 2305 levels. Now, what to expect today from gold? Is there a possibility of a reversal as we have seen three bullish candles? So can we expect couple of more red candles from here or is it again going to rise further? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. It is always a great motivation and do watch till the end where I am going to share the key trading levels and the profit strategy for today. Let's start. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and be a part of the channel memberships here on YouTube and support the effort. Now, first, let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, clearly we can see there is a wall created here on the downside. You can see prices are getting rejected from 98-97 zone, and we know that 98 to 95 is a good support zone. Previously this was a slight resistance, now this is going to be the support zone here for the day. Thus if you see gold staying below 2295, we can initiate a selling entry where we can look forward to 2292.88 zone, which is going to be a very good support. Yes, prices might get a good support here at 2292.88 zone. And if you look at the formation, see the rise, retracement towards 20 period. Second rise, there is a possibility of retracement towards 20 period before it looks forward to any further rise. If you also connect the dots here, you will find that for the day, 2280 and 70 is the zone. It should not break, and only if gold trades below 2280 and 70 zone, we can say that it is turning bearish. We will have a further detailed look here. Stochastic here has dropped. It was overbought. MACD is almost running flat here. It has lot much of room for it to continue with the rise. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, see after series of bullish candle, this could be the reversal sign for gold. But what it has done after the reversal sign here, it has shown a good swing. Now the swings helped it achieve higher highs, but the prices and the candle closed in red. Now we have to wait for gold to break the lows here, which means 2298.95 zone is certainly going to remain a very good support. And below that we can look forward to 2292, then 2288 and then 2285 levels. Very nearby support exists here for gold. Also if you look at the formation, the rise, the retracement towards 20 period, then a parallel run, then a rise, retracement towards, and this is the third bump which we have seen here on the charts. Yes, it is beautifully trading in this bullish channel. Support on the downside towards 2280, 2270 zone is going to be the key in order to decide the direction for gold. I do not see it breaking this, but yes, if it breaks below 2270 is where you can say the bears will be attacking. Stochastic overbought, it is trying to come out of the overbought zone. Look at MACD almost running flat while RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts you can find higher highs, lower lows in the preceding candle. Current candle is already trading in red. However, it is yet to break below the support levels, only below 2295. I will recommend you to take a selling position. Current candle, what it may try to do, lower highs and higher lows. Consolidation is what we may see, and thus if you see gold staying above 2305 levels, oh 06 levels is where we will initiate a buying position again. That is the only level above which we can expect it to continue with the rise, though I will be looking forward for it to achieve the bottom of the channel once before rising here. Thus it appears 2280 levels cannot be denied here. Stochastic is overbought. MACD, if you look at MACD, has come to a good level from where we have always seen it retracing. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, look at the three candles consistently yielding higher lows, and thus it is very important for gold to break this zone, below which only we should treat this as bearish, else you can see higher lows, higher highs are seen here. Also if you look at the movement in gold, see the rise, a slight retracement, see the rise, a slight retracement cannot be denied here, which I will be looking forward to. Stochastic here is overbought. MACD is almost has reached a very good and a strongly high levels from where a slight retracement cannot be denied. RSI staying overbought as well. Coming to the daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting 8th of April. You can register now. You can reach out to me for details. In this batch, our entire focus is on sharing all the key confidential trading strategies, tools, and techniques which you have developed over the years, with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades with ease. And in the second half, the key trade setups which you have developed will help you trade profitably. So do not miss this opportunity. Join the mentorship batch today. And those who want to just trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. Also, many of you had inquired me about a safe, trustworthy broker which is regulated, which is available across the globe, where the transactions and withdrawals are easier, where you can get the lowest spreads on offer such that you can save on your fees, and yes, it offers a swap free account as well. The recommended broker link is there in the channel and video description. Join through the link and you will get the lowest spreads to offer. Now, coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, connect the dots here, higher lows, connect the dots here, higher highs. Where are the highs now for this channel? Are way above 2320 levels. Yes, if it continues to rise from here, it is going to be a very strong bullish momentum. So yes, if you see gold is staying above 2306, you can buy. First target zone I will be looking is at around 2312 levels, the nearest resistance level. 2312, 2315 is the zone where we are focusing on. If it stays above 2306, this is going to be the first target level, beyond which I will be looking forward to another round of rise towards 2325. But the catch here is, see, if you look at the rise here, see, this is where we have seen it rising. A nice strong handle is formed, and see, it has almost hit the top of the channel here. So possibility for gold to fall back within the channel exists, and possibility of a little reversal exists from here. Three candles formation is done, which calls for it to retrace a little. Now when I say retrace a little, it means you can take a sell entry at around 22.97.95 zone, and below which I will be looking forward to 22.88.92 zone, first support zone, 22.84.85 the next, and then if it stays below 22.84.85, the target is going to be towards 22.78.76 zone. These are extremely important support levels for gold for the day, and any point of time gold staying below 2270 is where you can say the bears will be taking over from there, and we can look forward to a drop, chances for which appears to be less, that it is going to drop below 2270, but these are markets, you have to take your positions accordingly. If you look at the stochastic, this is running overbought here, we have to be cautious of it. The MACD, look at MACD, extreme divergence and extreme rise here. Though it is not that it cannot rise further, but I do see there should be a slight retracement on the downside before it takes forward to on the upside. RSI is overbought as well. So considering this, trading is very simple. Buy at 23.0506 levels. That is the only level beyond which you can say bullish. And sell at 22.95.97 zone, which is going to be a good support zone. On the downside, support levels are very clear. 22.92, 22.88 zone, very strong support. 84.85 the next, and then 78.76 the third one. Below that, we are looking forward to 22.70 levels and lower. On the downside, supports are very strong, thus you should be trading with caution on the downside. On the upside, likewise, see, the bulls appear to be slightly exhausted, and thus if you see it staying above 23.0506, you can take a buy. However, we have to be very careful around 23.12, 23.15, the first target zone, and if it breaks beyond 23.12, 23.15 is where you can say the bulls will be taking over completely, and we are looking forward to rise. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. See you again before the US session. Do not miss that update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again.